The stories y'all tell. Jeez. I don't know. You don't have a name. What's this? Lie? You gonna lie today?
Nah.
Okay.
No.
How you doing, Lie? Good morning.
Good morning, nah.
How old are you?
20.
20. You somebody's baby. You
Nah.
somebody's baby.
What you mean men don't exist?
Yeah. Read the topic. You don't. Only time you can ask me questions is if you have a lion or a galaxy. Um, Go ahead and read the topic if you may.
There's no proof of male existence. There's
This
no
is
proof of no
that's what-
existence before female.
this is a topic right here. It starts up here. You see
Only
it?
female create and bring forth life with no male's existence. Seems like you're the one lying here.
Okay. So I want you to go ahead and first of all, I'm trying to respect you because you're somebody else's child, and I want you to respect me. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay. So show me some respect. And watch your elders. So let me ask you: you ever took science before?
Yeah.
You took biology in school?
Yeah.
How did you do? How did you do in those classes?
It's great flying colors.
Great, flying colors. If that was the case, then why are you denying this topic?
Because fertility. Do you know the concept of fertility by any chance?
So I didn't ask you about your human form, see, because it says there's no proof male existence nor existence before female. So you have to existence before female. So you have to prove to me that you exist before female. And what did that look like?
So who was the first female? If you say no male existed before female, who was the first female and how did she have a child?
We're not worrying about the first female. We're worrying about you proving male existence.
I'm here. I'm a male myself.
Yeah, in physical form.
What
What
other
were
form
you?
do I exist in?
Where were you before? I thought you passed in what you learned in school.
Before I got born, I was inside of my father's. Yeah.
That's what they said in school.
Yeah, that's
I know.
reality.
Let me tell you something. When I took science biology, it said no shit like that. And I
Hold
am
on.
a teacher. I am a teacher by trade. So therefore, I know they didn't tell you that. So let's start again. Let's start again. Now tell the truth, please.
Before I was born, I was a sperm, and then I went into my mother's egg, which is called fertilization. And
Tell me
then
what the sperm does. What is its
it
responsibility?
fertilizes the egg.
No, what is its responsibility?
It swims up to the egg and gets in the egg, and then the eggs turn to a person. Am I missing something?
If your sperm, let me ask you this: are you heterosexual? Yeah. Okay. I want you to. I hate to tell this to somebody else's child. Let me ask you this: have you seen any two GAY gentlemen? Have you ever seen any one of them get pregnant?
No.
So
That's
you don't.
impossible.
Right. You don't carry life. You're not responsible for carrying life. Seen any one of them get pregnant?
No.
So
That's
you
impossible.
don't. Right. You don't carry life. You're not responsible for carrying life or creating it. Okay.
Have you seen two females create life?
So Yes, and that's why this
How?
exists. It exists. I'll get to the how, the
Two
what.
females creating life?
Shh, shh. Don't, because if you didn't grasp on by now, you will never grasp on. Do you understand? So just wait. You're gonna have to take this slowly because you're
Help
gonna
me
learn
grasp
something
it.
about you. Okay, you're gonna have to take this real slow. Okay, because it took me some years to get to this point. So you're not
Mm.
gonna do it. I'm gonna help you get it in this short moment of time. So
I'm not crushing.
so I have
Nah, someone said I'm crushing now, but I'm calm.
so 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 you just disprove that you carry the baby, because if you carried the baby, then putting in somebody else's body should be able to develop and
Can I
create
ask
life.
you a question?
No, no. Well, let me see what the question is, because I just told you
Okay.
to
So
Galaxy
you
or
said,
Lion me or
okay.
ask me a question. What you want?
So you said that men do not create life because two XX chromosomes, like again, like two males cannot create life. But
I didn't say anything about chromosomes. So tell me
okay,
about
okay,
this.
okay, okay, okay. You said that
Yeah.
two males.
See. Now, since we there, let's talk about it. What do you know about chromosomes?
There's an XX chromosome and an XY chromosome, right?
Okay. Who has the XY and who has the XX?
Um, is XY I don't know, female? One's the female, one's the male. I know that, but I wasn't on that. Listen there. Like, that was not my question from the start. You said
No.
that two males cannot have a baby. Is XY I don't know, female? One's the female, one's the male. I know that, but I wasn't on that. Listen there. Like, that was not my question from the start. You said
No.
that two males cannot have a baby, right? Can two females have a baby?
Yes, I'm about to prove it to you.
Go
Yes,
ahead.
the
Go ahead.
fact that you haven't grasped this topic is grasp the answer to the topic.
How do
It's
two females
crazy.
have a baby?
Okay, so we was on chromosome, and you said you passed in flying colors. Did you not learn about chromosomes in biology or
Mm,
science?
I did. I'm just,
Okay,
I
what
just
did they
don't
say?
seem to,
What
huh?
did they say? What do you remember? Because you're not that far out of school. So what did they
Hold
say?
on. Is the XX the female one and the XY is the male one?
Okay. Now, what is the responsibility of the XY chromosome? And
I'll answer you right after you tell me how two females can have a baby.
no, that's not how it works. And if you don't want to answer me, I'm going to go ahead and bring up the next. Let's try somebody else. We don't do that. Just we don't do that, sir. Now, you could pay for a lion or